Sarah's weight loss with the carnivore diet. Meet Sarah, a cheerful 38-year-old middle school teacher. Lately, she's been feeling a bit weighed down by life and her energy levels. At 5 feet 4 inches and 230 pounds, she often felt like she was dragging through the day. Between lesson planning and keeping up with her 2 lively kids, she relied on processed snacks, endless coffee, and late-night carb binges. Sarah tried everything: keto, calorie counting, even running on a treadmill, but nothing seemed to click. One day, while scrolling through social media, she stumbled across a post about the carnivore diet. The comments were full of inspiring stories about weight loss, more energy, and a clear mind. She felt a spark of hope and thought, what do I have to lose, besides this weight? So, Sarah decided to give the carnivore diet a shot, calling it her meat experiment. It came with some simple rules. Focus on delicious animal-based foods like beef, lamb, and pork. Keep it simple, no sauces or anything fancy, just salt. Drink lots of water and sprinkle in some electrolytes. The first 2 weeks were tough. Her body was not happy, and she faced headaches, low energy, and cravings for bread and sweets. But Sarah stayed strong, reminding herself that she could push through this for a better life if she could handle so much before. By week 3, something changed in the best way. Sarah woke up feeling surprisingly good. Her cravings faded away, and her energy bounced back. She was thrilled to see she had lost 9 pounds when she stepped on the scale. More than that, her clothes felt looser, her mood lifted, and her mind was sharper. For the first time in years, Sarah felt truly alive. Breakfast, just black coffee or soothing bone broth. Lunch, a juicy ribeye steak with crispy bacon on the side. Dinner, flavorful ground beef patties cooked in butter with a bit of salt. No snacking or calorie counting, just eating until she felt satisfied. After 6 months, Sarah had lost 70 pounds. She was now at 160 pounds, but that was just the beginning of the changes. Her skin was glowing, her joint pain disappeared, and she finally had the energy to chase her kids around the park. Sarah embraced new adventures, hiking, jumping into a dance class, and smiling at her mirror reflection. The best part? The mental fog that had been hanging around was gone. She felt like she had lifted a veil and could see the world. Even her students noticed something different. Sarah's journey shows us that losing weight isn't just about changing your body, it's also about transforming your mind and spirit. The carnivore diet worked for her because it removed the clutter of processed foods and brought her back to basics. She became the hero of her own story, reclaiming her health and happiness one delicious bite at a time.